Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to file for a homestead exemption in Texas. To qualify, you must own and occupy your home as your primary residence on January 1st of the tax year. This exemption helps reduce your property tax burden by lowering the taxable value of your home. Remember, you can only claim one homestead exemption, so choose your primary residence carefully. Texas offers several types of homestead exemptions. The general exemption reduces your home's appraised value by $40,000 for school taxes. If you are over 65 or disabled, you can receive additional exemptions, providing even greater tax relief. Veterans with disabilities may also qualify for specific exemptions based on their disability rating, offering significant savings. Applying for your homestead exemption is straightforward. You'll need to complete Form 50-114, which is the application for residential homestead exemption. Once filled out, submit this form to your local county appraisal district. Be sure to include a copy of your Texas driver's license or state identification card, as this helps verify your residency and ownership. It's important to file your application by April 30th to ensure it applies to the current tax year. Once approved, your homestead exemption automatically renews annually, so you typically don't need to reapply. However, if your primary residence changes, or if you no longer qualify, you must notify your county appraisal district promptly to avoid any issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.